Hey there. So this is a quick tutorial on how to create a thermal analysis diagram in Ecotect. Ecotect has a whole lot of thermal analysis diagrams that you can do, but most of them output as a graph. This is one of the few that is an actual diagram relative to your model. We're starting off with a GBXML model that comes standard with Revit, and we export as a GBXL, imported that into Ecotect, and we are ready to do our analysis. Now the first thing you need to do is to click on the blue grid here and just click on Display Analysis Grid, and there it is. If it's not sort of fitting or not in the right arrangements relative to your model, you can click AutoFit to Objects, and this will allow you to position it correctly so that it actually serves you well. Click out of that, and then just scroll down here to Perform Calculation. Click on Spatial Comfort. That's the one that will be really providing a great diagram of what's a comfortable temperature and environment within your space. And click on Perform Calculation. We'll get a warning about interzonal adjacencies. Hit OK to recalculate, and we're off and running. Unfortunately, we are running a little slowly. This is not a speedy analysis, so I'm going to pause the recording and then we'll come back once it's wrapped up. So we're back and we're just wrapping up the analysis. And almost there. Alright. And if we start rotating around, we'll see that we now have a better idea of what the spatial comfort would be. We have a chart of temperatures here, and based off of our climate information, which is actually set, this is no data, but it is set to Los Angeles. We have a thermal analysis model. Now, one thing that we can do under the display settings is go into the let's see, where is it? The section plane. We can cut away the section, and this will allow us, using this slider here, will allow us to be able to see what's really happening within the space, so we can get a better idea of what we need to design for. And this ends up being a pretty fantastic little diagram that we can use and to express our design intent and the analysis that we've done. To be able to use that diagram, just go to File, Export, and then Image Screenshot, and you should be on your way with something that you can start to manipulate in Illustrator or Photoshop.